If studying feels confusing or exhausting, you're doing too much. Hey, I'm CG, and I'll show you how to study smarter, not longer.
Have you ever found yourself so absorbed in studying that you lost all sense of time? That feeling isn't just a stroke of luck, it's rooted in neuroscience. Today, we're diving into how you can activate hyperfocused learning by understanding and harnessing the flow state. Flow is that magical zone where deep focus and effortless attention combine, making learning not only more effective but also more enjoyable. Psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi first coined the term flow to describe this peak experience where performance meets enjoyment. Let's explore what makes flow so powerful and how you can tap into it for your own studies. What's happening in your brain when you're in flow? It's all about neurochemistry. Dopamine fuels your motivation and reward, making you eager to keep going. Norepinephrine sharpens your alertness and focus, helping you tune out distractions. Serotonin brings calm and emotional balance, so you feel at ease even while tackling tough material. Together, these chemicals optimize your learning and performance, creating that sweet spot where studying feels almost effortless. When you're in flow, distractions fade away, time seems to fly, and your memory, creativity, and understanding all get a boost. So how can you enter flow while studying? Start by setting clear, challenging, but achievable goals. This gives your brain a target to lock onto. Eliminate distractions, silence your phone, and keep your desk tidy. Try using focus blocks like the Pomodoro technique to maintain momentum. Study with intrinsic motivation, find reasons to enjoy what you're learning. Calm your mind with breathing exercises or mindfulness before you begin. Finally, use consistent cues. Study in the same place, listen to the same music, or follow the same rituals. These habits signal your brain that it's time to focus, making it easier to slip into flow. Let's quickly recap. Flow is the combination of focus, motivation, and calm. Your brain's neurochemistry shapes how well you learn, and by designing your environment and habits, you can enter flow faster and more often. Remember, studying smarter means working with your brain, not against it. Experiment with these strategies, discover what works best for you, and unlock your own flow state for deeper, more enjoyable learning.
If this helped you, follow Cheat Grades.